Friends, welcome to my blog. So right now I'm in my field. Not in my field, actually I'm in my neighbor's field. Okay, so I have come here to to see some mango tree, because this time my neighbors, he asked for mango for pickle. So they actually wanted uh, unripe mango for pickle. So there is one mango tree, but there is no mango here. I will show you this mango tree, but there are not too much mango in this tree. Very small mango. I think this mango is good for pickle. And here there is no other mango tree. That is only one mango tree, and that mango tree actually belongs to the neighbor who actually asked me for the mango. They want to put pickle of this mango. I will show you. There are some mango here. This one, very small mango. I think this mango is used for pickle purpose. Uh, that mango tree is it's good, but I can climb on that mango tree. I will bring a ladder, and then I can climb on that tree, and I will actually, yes, there are mangoes, yes. So I will pluck all these mango for pickle purpose and give these mangoes to my neighbors, because they are our relatives. So it's our duty to do something for our relatives. Here that is the banana tree, but there is no banana in this tree. So many fruits tree here, but this time maximum tree are empty. There is no fruit on that tree. So in this season, actually this time it happens in this season, but in previous season there were so many fruits on the tree. We ate so many fruits from the tree. You can see this tree is a fig tree. There are so many fig in this tree, on this tree. I think some figs are ripen, so I will pluck and taste that fig. How is it? How is it? So my friend, these are not good. You can see these are rotten. So it's not. I can't eat them. It's not eatable. I don't know how are these fruits getting spoiled, because all these fruit are on tree, but they are getting spoiled. So I cannot eat that fruit. Now let's go back to home. Now I'm going back to my home. So I have come here to see that mango trees. Actually, two mango trees are here. And actually, there are fruits on that mango tree. Mango. There are so many mangoes on that mango trees. There are only two, but some mangoes are empty. In this season, so only two mango tree. So tomorrow I will come and climb on that mango tree and pluck all these mango for a pickle purpose, and give that mango to my neighbors. I think because we should also help to our neighbors. Life is not just limited to just yourself, ourselves. Okay, we should help people. We should help needy people, and we should also help relatives, because if we help relatives, then they they will also help us in they will also help us in bad time. So I'm going back to my home, and now I am ending this video. So practice English like this.